Hey y'all, remember yesterday I had taken off or whatever day you're looking at this, a few days ago, yesterday, whatever it was. I took the air conditioning cover off and it had several cracks in it. So I dug out the fiberglass, just went to the local auto parts store and got a little fiberglass kit. It just says Evercoat Body Shop fiberglass kit. And so I've redone the inside of this. There was a long crack, well you can see the crack there, and there was one that went all the way down through here. And I've redone both of those, or I should say I've finished that off. And then there was one right here, if you can see that, that's right in front of me. And then this one over here at one time had been done, but I didn't have enough hardener in the fiberglass when I did that, so that one kind of failed. But anyway, fiberglass is just a real easy way of repairing things. And there's no real science to it. You have the resin, and then you have the hardener, and all you do is fill up the amount of resin that you want to use inside this, and use about 8 to 10 drops for a good bit of it. This whole can here, what is it, like 6 ounces, 4 ounces, whatever it is. It is, how many ounces is that? I don't know, it doesn't even say. It's a few ounces, and this little boopy dobby here is enough to do the entire can. And then of course it comes with the fiberglass itself, the mixing tray, the little paddle to spread it on, and the little popsicle stick there to go ahead and mix it with. So all you have to do is mix it up, put the fiberglass sheet down over this position where you want to do the fiberglassing, and then just go ahead and drop in the fiberglass and resin mixture and spread it out. Give it about 20 minutes and it will harden up, and you will have a repair. And it doesn't have to be anything fancy, you know, it just depends on what you want. And but this top is so brittle that I know it's going to crack out again. But again, this is only going to be until we can get the mini split systems put in, and we're working towards that now. I don't know how long, oops, before you go, I don't know how long until that's going to happen. Until then, we will have a working, functioning air conditioner in the front and in the back. And that's what I'm doing today, part of what I'm doing today in the Brian's Bus Adventure.